they gave. They sacrificed, and then they lied about it. Ananias and Sapphira sold a piece of land and brought the money to the early church. But they secretly kept a portion for themselves while telling everyone it was the full amount. They wanted the reputation of total surrender without actually paying the full price. Peter looked at Ananias and said, "You have not lied to men. You have lied to the Holy Spirit." Hours later, both of them were dead. The church was shaken in a way it had never been before. Not because God punished generosity, but because God exposed performance dressed up as devotion. They built an image of who they were before people, but God saw who they actually were in private. And that gap between the two is where the danger lives. God is not moved by what you show the world. He sees past the offering, past the words, past the reputation you have carefully built. He sees your heart. You cannot fool the one who made you. Follow for daily faith motivations.